Welcome back to the workspace of low imagination. I almost forgot the intro. If you want to see a different intro, let me know some ideas down below on what I could say besides the typical, this is crap. And this does not look phallic at all. Anyway, so as you've seen in the intro, we are working on a sword from Akame ga Kill. And I gotta say, overall, I am happy with how this model looks and printed. It is a model from Thingiverse, which I have not used in quite a while. I am not discrediting this model at all. I printed it because I liked it. It does come in 8 parts. You have the handle, the base of the blade, which, one side note is, if you print this model for yourself, the through tang and the bottom of the blade, it's a very tight friction fit, even after sanding to make it slide in and out easier. So I'm not going to break this to try to get this part out of the handle. But yeah, it comes in 8 parts. There's 5 parts to the blade. The blade is a little on the thicker side. If you wanted, you could shrink it down, but I like the size that it is, but I'm a 6'8" guy. It also comes with a stencil. I am including that in the parts list, and I absolutely adore when creators do that, because I did the same thing for my Demon Slayer Nichiren stencils, so I could actually paint that on. So it comes with 5 pieces of the blade, a Suba. It did not come with a scabbard or sheath, but overall it's just going to hang up on the wall. So, but first step is we have to glue everything together. So let me change the camera and get to gluing. So overall, the gluing came out pretty well. I did have to put this on because it won't slide over the top. So that's just a little oversight, but overall, everything's done. Next, we're moving on to plastic welding and then sanding and filling. So let's start that time lapse. So now that I have put some filler on and I've done a couple layers of primer, I think this is ready to start getting painted. So the first step is I'm going to be taking some painter's tape, putting it around the blade so I can paint the handle, the hibiki and everything red, and then I will go in and paint the inlay white and then black for the writing on it. So let's quickly do that. Okay, doesn't have to be clean, but now I'm gonna go paint this red, so I will be back. So on this sword, I still have to paint the black of the back of the blade and the silver of the blade. I've got the red, I still need to do the white with the black lettering, but I do have this ready for the back of the blade being painted black. So once that gets painted, I will be back. And after all of that, we have Akame God Kills blade. I want to say it's like Mitsurugi, but I'm probably wrong. Let me know in the comments down below what the actual name of it is. But overall, I think it turned out well. I do still love the stencil that it came with, and it was actually quite easy to put on. But what I say doesn't matter. It's all about what the wife's verdict is. So, let's go.
It looks like a red brick with the sword. Looks like a Minecraft. It's blocky a little.
Yeah, if I was to redo it again, I'd probably make it a little thinner.
But I like it. And plus, it reminds me of a fire truck yet again. Which we have determined it is not fire truck red paint.
No, it's like toolbox or something.
It
or
does
tractor
look,
or something.
It could look like the tractor too.
The red is literally right there.
I would say maybe 9.8 out of 10. 9.7.
And Penny's just like, what is this crazy person doing? What is crazy mama doing, daddy?
I stab. Yeah. She's like, ah.
She's like, I attack.
With kisses. Do you want your face attacked with kisses?
From a pupper?
If so, contact
Stampede!
Penny.
Stampede!
555, Penny and Cora.
So, as with everything, all good things, or most things, come to an end. Leave a comment down below as to what sword or prop you would like to see me do next, and I will work on it. For some reason, the filament I ordered is a little backlog, so it's taking a little bit of time to get that.
Oh, I shook the wrong way.
Anyway, if you enjoy content like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment to show the algorithm that this is something worth watching. Otherwise, feel free to move on to the next video, and preferably one of my other videos or shorts. So, we will see you next time. Peace.